I start here.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Namaskar. And as said, stress management is a very important aspect of our life. Everybody at every stage we come across the stress. If anybody tells you that I don't have stress, I don't bother about anything, I am a free, either he is a sadhu who has nothing to do with this world, or he is lying himself, और बुद्ध जिसे बुद्ध बौद्धिक ज्ञान हो गया वो आदमी बन जाता है. सो ये तीन प्रकार के. और हाँ, एक दो जन और को भी स्ट्रेस नहीं होता है. आई विल टेल समथिंग इन हिंदी ऑल्सो देन पीपल हैव अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड अप्रोचेबिलिटी. वन इज अ मैनेक्विन्स. आपने देखा होगा कि समटाइम यू विल फाइंड दैट सम स्टोर्स के आगे में पीपल आर स्टैच्यूज आर स्टैंडिंग. दे हैव नो स्ट्रेस because somebody else is already changing their clothes, daily changing their positions. They have no stress. And the people who are under in a graveyard, they have no stress. So there are certain setup of the people also who have no stress. But we are all alive. We have a life. We have a family. We have responsibility. And I am sure that we are in the same boat we are sailing, and everybody is passing. The stress level may vary from person to person, basis on his experience, basis on his knowledge, basis on his maturity. But yes, everybody facing the stress. And I am not going to teach you anything. If you feel that no, I am going to make you a master of stress management, nothing. I am just going to tell you what you are. You are already aware about the situation. I will make you little more aware about the situation and more aware about you, that how you are going to face the situation. So friends, here we take off from here. In this presentation, we will go through understanding the stress, genesis and responses, positive and negative stress. Yes, there are positive stress also. Effect of the stress, identifying the stressors, stress defense mechanism, stress buster relaxation techniques, and yes, question and answer subject to time availability and permission from the college. The stress trap, when I said that it is applicable at every stage of the life, at every stage of the life, knowingly or unknowingly, we come across the stress. It is not that I take a stress. There are people who will give me stress. Defense mechanism, I am trying that how capable I am about not to accept the stress. But it will take some time. It is not possible for everybody. As I told you, it is not possible for everybody. Everybody cannot be Buddha, or everybody cannot be the master. Either it's a childhood stress, educational field, family, personal, emotional, occupational, financial, or even old age also. If some people says, if I am having money, I will be stressless. Please go and talk to the people, those who have a lot of money. They are under more stress than poor people. Because poor people will definitely get some help, but rich people sometimes they do not get even extended help also. So this is what happens, that we are continuously under stress at every age, every stage of the life.